This video is going to be showing us how to do the closing procedures and exiting our classroom, as well as helping you get familiar with our class website, which is www.algebrasite.com. Really, the purpose of this video is twofold. One, it's to let you know this information about how to leave the class and how to get into the website, but it's also to give you an example of what the nightly homework videos will be like and let you practice filling in the notes pages. So we're going to start with our CHAMPS procedures for putting away the supplies and leaving the classroom. All of our classroom procedures, we use the acronym CHAMP. CHAMP stands for C, means conversation, H is help, A is activity, M is movement, and P is participation. So we can describe the entire process under this umbrella. C, which is conversation. While we're shutting down the classroom, the conversation level is 2. Conversation level 2 means soft conversation. You can discuss things within your group about your supplies or making sure you've got everything that you need. It's a quiet conversation, it's just within your group. H stands for help. If you need help, come see Miss Shannon, come see me after class. This is not the time to stand up and try and get help or raise your hand and say, I need to learn how to do the Pythagorean theorem or something major. If you need help right during the closing procedures, wait until after we're done with the closing procedures and I've dismissed the class, and then come and see me. The activity that we're doing during this time of class will be, everybody will be resetting the memory on your calculator. It's not just hitting the clear button, but it's actually resetting the memory. You'll be cleaning up your folder, making sure all your notes pages are organized in the folder and it's ready to be turned in. And if you had to borrow a supply box, you'll be making sure that it has the pencils and the eraser and the highlighter and everything, the sharpener that's supposed to be in the supply box. Movement. This is not a time for everybody to stand up and run to throw your calculators away and put your folders up. This is a very orderly time. The only people that will really be getting up will be the calculator captains and the folder captains. Those will be the people that will be taking groups of calculators and groups of folders and putting them away. And even at that point, it'll be as they're called by groups. So the other thing that we have to do is get the desks rearranged and put back in order and make sure all the trash is up off of the floor. And that'll be at the teacher direction. The participation in this activity is everybody has to get the classroom ready for the next class. It also helps you with your organizational skills to make sure you have everything that you need, that you get all of your notes where they belong in the folder, and that you have your homework page to take home with you to do the video for the next night. The examples of you not participating is being up, or laughing, or yelling across the room at your friend, or not even clearing your calculator. That's really hard on your calculator captain. So just not taking care of your business is an example of non-participation in this particular activity. So just a quick review. It is on your notes pages. Conversation, C, level 2. Get help after class is dismissed. Make sure that your calculator memory is cleared, your folder is organized, and all supplies, this includes the pencils, are put back in the supply box. Only move when directed, and we will dismiss by rows or groups after everything is put away and the room is clean. Just a little note on that, the bell does not dismiss the class. I dismiss the class as your teacher. Okay, so now let's look at the website. This is our class website. It's www.algebrasite.com. There's a couple of things that you can find on this site. First, you can see that we have what we did in class, the daily work, the daily assignment. So this was last year, September 12th and 13th. Talks about what we did in class. It also gives all the vocabulary words that we used. Gives a link to the notes pages. Gives links to the classwork page. If you keep scrolling down, you can watch the video. So you can get the information that you need that we did during class. This is important for you. If you're absent, you can go on to algebrasite.com. You can get all the notes that we did. You can watch the video. When we're reviewing for a test, you can go out to algebrasite.com and say, you know what, I really don't remember what scatter plots are all about. Well, you can just scroll down until you find scatter plots, watch the video. Or instead of having to scroll, if you look over here on the side where it says topics, you can look and see which topic it is that you're unclear about and go ahead and click on it, and it'll take you to that topic. Another thing that you can do on this website, so the vocabulary, you can hover over the vocabulary words and it'll actually give you the definition. You can click on the link or you can click up here at the top to vocabulary and it will take you to all the vocabulary words in the website. So if you're unsure of anything, you can always click on the vocabulary and look it up. It is by alphabetical order. Then click home to get back there. Another thing that's really helpful on this website is up here at the top where it says online practice and online calculator. If you don't happen to have a calculator at home, you can use this website and actually go to the link right there where it says TI-83 calculator. Right here, go to that link and you can download a computer version of the calculator. Or if you want extra practice, you can go to Khan Academy. That's another really nice site where you can get extra practice on the website. So ways that this can help you in review, help you with missed makeup work, and it'll also help you because it has your homework on it. You watch the video, do the notes. You can watch the video as many times as you need to make sure you understand what we're going to cover in class. Homework videos will never be longer than 15 minutes. Hopefully, somewhere between 10 and 15. I believe tonight's video is 12 minutes. What happens though if you can't find the page that I gave you to take home to fill in? Well, you got a couple of options. One option is you can find the page on the website and download you a new copy. But let's say you don't have that. Printer's not working, all sorts of things happen. Get a piece of paper, get Post-it notes, whatever you need. Get this stuff onto paper and fill it out. Even if it's not the actual page, fill it out on a scratch piece of paper and bring it in to work or to school. You know, this is a YouTube video, so you can watch it on your phone. You can come to school, go onto the school library, get onto a computer, watch it there. Get onto the school Wi-Fi with your phone and you can watch it. And also every morning, starting at 8 a.m., I put the video on just in a looping motion here in my room. So you can come in anytime after 8 a.m. into the room, sit down wherever the video is. That's where you'll start on your notes. Fill it in, and as the video loops back around, finish filling them out. I also will be here every afternoon from 3:45 to a little bit after 4, also looping the video. So you've got a whole bunch of different ways that you can come and get this homework and video completed before class time. Question for you. Is your homework, will it count as both a daily grade and as extra bonus points on your quiz? Yes, it will. That's true. So it's really important. In addition to that, when you do these videos, they're painless. other than you have to listen to me talk, they're painless. It's not getting frustrated trying to figure out answers. You watch the video, you fill in your notes, but it gets you started in the process of what we're going to do. The notes will be stored in the classroom. We're going to keep them in your class folder. That's one of the supplies you're bringing to us. You can use your folder on classwork and on quizzes. So yes, you will be able to use your folder on your daily quizzes, which is a big part of your grade. The only thing you won't be able to use your folder on, besides the STAR test, is the checkpoint tests and the major tests. So these folders are very important. Thank you for watching. Put your name on your notes. I'll be collecting them so that we can start putting them in our folder for next time.